I'm Val, you're watching Whirlwind Gamer, and welcome to my video. Or welcome to my channel if you are new. And if you're new, by the way, subscribe, because I don't usually tell you guys to subscribe, and you guys don't subscribe in that matter. So please subscribe. Okay, so we are playing this game called Beach Buggy, and I mean Beach Buggy. So yeah. And I heard about this game and I wanted to play it because I was thinking of I always play Slug It Out 2 and Minecraft, and so I thought, well, why not try a new game? So I downloaded this game called Beach Buggy 2. So let's see. So I have some choices in the characters. We have the red one. I'm going to name him Kate. We have the pink one. I'm going to name him Lee. Yep, Lee. And I'm going to name this guy David. So I think I will be going with Kate, because why not? And I haven't, there's not a tutorial, and I don't know if this is the tutorial or not. I don't know anything about this game. I have played Beach Buggy 1 but not 2. Hi, welcome to Coconut Island. I'm Ruby. You must be here for the Beach Buggy racing routes. Okay, sure, just get the voice down a bit so you guys can hear me clearly. Okay, continue. You're just in time. Drive down to the road beach and I'll meet you there. So before I tap the continue button, I just wanted to say, guys, thank you for the response you have been giving on my videos. So I just wanted to tell, if you like my content, please subscribe, because many people don't subscribe. They just watch my content but don't subscribe. So please subscribe, guys, because it really helps out ton. And sometimes I'm just demotivated because a lot of people don't subscribe. So I just wanted to say that. And while it's your choice, let's continue now. Oh, try not to hit anything on the way. Yeah, I'm a good gamer. Tilt screen or touch screening? I think I will try touch screening. Steering. Okay, steer right and brake and steer left. So I have to go like that. Which one is the accelerator? Oh wait, what? So I have to tap both of these. Yep, yeah. She said try not to touch anything. Well, I touched everything. Ouch. When I said don't hit anything, I meant it as a joke. Oh, well, I did hit a lot of things. So why did you say ouch? Say you don't have your power-up slots yet. Do you even install it? Okay, so I'm just going to pause this because of my Google Play. I'm pretty sure what will happen. So if it's just a tutorial, I will just get my video back, but I will have to pause it for a second. So it had nothing to do with my Google Play, so I just paused for nothing. It just loaded again. So yeah. Okay, your power up slots are ready. I'll give you a quick run on the features. Okay, I know a bit. I have played the first part. Yes, I know how to play this game now. Oh, I missed all of them. Really? I was supposed to shoot this guy. Now how am I going to do it? Shit. Oh yeah. Yeah, now I got it. Well, I don't need to use him because I'm pretty good. Oh my god, I can't use him. Sorry, guys. Boom! Yay! I exploded a guy. Woohoo! Nice shooting. Looks like you're ready to go. First tryout about to start. Let's say. I was already ready. They did the tutorial for nothing. I'm just too good. But I'm nothing in front of you guys. So this is it. Your first tryout. You have to get at least 3rd place to advance to next round. Okay, character ability, leagues rules. Okay. So she said I have to at least be 3rd. Can I be 1st? Is that alright? Okay, I'm just getting a bit too overconfident. Yeah, I should not do that. Any missiles can be coming on my way, so I shall be little careful. I shall just nitro my way out of here. I have some nitro. These are noobs. These guys are noobs. Okay, so how do you accelerate? Or it just keeps going and going and going. Oh my god, someone donated me. Not like donate, like donut. He threw donuts at my tire. My tires became donut. And that is like pretty weird. Okay, my recording thing is coming in the way. My god. God guys, sorry. Oh my god. Well, I am at first place. It's okay then, I guess. Yes, my whatever it was, the like spring trap. Nice driving. Let's head back to the resort. Wait, I live in a resort in this game? What? I'm filthy rich then. I'm first. My name is Rez. Oh, the red guy name is Rez, not Kate. Okay, let's continue. Every time you raise, you win and okay, so she is just telling me how these games work. So yeah, I did not want to know how this game works because I already know a bit. Not that much, but a bit. I got 93 coins, 1 fire power up, 1 boost power up, and that is it. So bad. But I kind of like this game. Upgrade and go. Just cool. This game is cool. Yeah, shut up, go. If you are go watching, I'm not saying that to you. I love all my subscribers and my viewers. This is the second round. Just drive like you did in the first place, and rest you will be fine. I got first, so what do you mean I will be just fine? I don't understand this though. Yeah, hello idiots. Yeah, I'm going to surpass them. And let's just try to dodge these. And let's power up. What are these purple ones? This purple one gave me nitro. Is that danger? Keep out. Yeah, when you say danger, like that, like don't come here. You know people will be going there. If they didn't say don't come here or something bad will happen, I would have definitely go. Okay, let's do this because I want to. Oh my god, I got this from the tutorial. Is this a legendary or something? Because I got it from a golden exclamation mark. Okay, I'm being a noob and I don't want to be. Oh my god. Okay, so I will have to get to know more about this game because it's just confusing. And you guys may think I'm a noob, but I just downloaded this game. It's not my fault. Okay, so I think it's not like fantastic. You already have a knack for this. Does she mean snack or what? Sorry guys, but I did not quite understand that. Rez, oh my god, I like that Beatbot car. Look at the second place. I love that car. I need that car. Okay, open in 5 seconds. Let's hope I get that car because I like that car. So guys, I just want to make my video short because my videos have been too long. And some boost juice and Tiki Seeker rare power up. Okay. So my videos are getting longer and longer and longer as we go, and I'm not sure if you guys like it or don't like it. So guys, just comment down below if I make should I make longer videos or just short videos. So these are level 3, level 4. So yeah, I have to beat these levels to get them. This 9 level, yeah, this thing looks cool. Okay, what is in the shop? Coming soon, the shop will open when tryouts are finished. These are the events, daily challenges and stuff. This is my team, change driver. Okay, so I have this guy. This guy is not unlocked. This guy is not unlocked. This is not unlocked. I want to unlock this guy. And in the car, oh my god, there are a lot cars. So let's check. I have this car, this car, this car, this car, this car, this car, this one. Wait, guys. Oh shit. So guys, I just accidentally stopped the recording and I don't know why. So let's continue with our cars. So I'm really sorry guys. So we were at this car. So I was saying I have this car, I mean I have this car but I don't have these cars. So let's see. I kind of like they're okay. So this car reminds me of a game, but I forgot the name of the game. Oh my god, this car looks cool too. But where's that car that I saw when I was playing? This car looks cool. This is okay. So I guess I cannot unlock this car. That car that I saw. So okay, what is the daily challenges? Beat the daily challenges for a chance to win new cars. Okay. So first let's complete this tutorial. So guys, I think I should meet you guys when I completed this tutorial because this tutorial will take time. My god, I cannot click on my recording thing. Yes, my god. Yes, I could pick it up. So I think I shall, let's just say it here. So I will just get this race 3 done and I will show you the finale of it because this video I don't want to get it too long. So guys, I'm back and I just finished the third race. So next will be the finale. So I just thought that maybe if you unlock the beatbox guy, whichever car you put on the beatbox guy, the car will turn like black and blue because look, the last car and this car is pretty different, I'm pretty sure. So yeah, so let's just wait for this box and let's do the finale. And I think there will be a part 2 of this game coming because I love this game. So I think my schedule will be one day Minecraft, one day Slug It Out 2, and one day this game, Beach Buggy. Oh my god, I got a new bonnet tires. Donut tires, not bonnet tires. Donut. So that's what happened to me. The guy gave me donut tires. So let's just upgrade my boosty boost. So how many used in deck? Okay. So how many can I use in one deck? I'm not sure. The shop the shop is not open. So I think, guess what? My boss, I mean the patron of this league, just called me and asked who the new driver is. The problem is, well, I forgot to ask your name when I signed you in. So what's your name? Let's continue. My name is Wo, and you're watching Wo Game. This was a bad joke. Communicating. Okay, guys, so I will have to pause so I can listen. Okay, I'm Whirlwind. Okay. No. Okay. Whirlwind. It's okay. I'm Whirlwind, and how do I just like space it out? Where's the space? I'm Whirlwind 99. Thanks, Whirlwind 99. And there I just put a title star next to you. Okay, guys. So I will have to wait. So wait, guys. I will. Sorry guys, a lot of background music maybe came because I don't know. I think I will cut it out. Okay, this is the last shot. Okay, so let's just complete this. I think I will not be able to cut it because there was a lot of things I was saying, so I think I won't be able to cut it. So I'm really just sorry about that. So let's just continue. This will be the last race of the episode, and let's heck and go. I like that I can drive on water. Yes, I got the nitro. I will use my nitro and the fire boost. Woohoo! Okay, sorry guys. I have 2 of these like rocket things with the skull. I will just use my trap because I want to get another one. I got shield, so I can use shield whenever I want. I think I will use it for now. Oh my god, my recording just comes. Let's see, we have to be a bit faster because... Oh, someone used donut tires on me. And I got saved because of my shield. Now I have got some donut tires. Donut tire, that monkey guy. Or frog guy. You know what, I will drive in water because I love out of bounds. Oh, so there are boundaries in this game? Okay, so let's just finish this. You rated Wolverine 99. You are qualified for the Beach Buggy Racing League. Hold on a sec, I'm getting a call. Hello boss, standing right here with me. Okay, I'll be sure to pass it along. Talk to you later. Jumping Jeepers, the patron told me to tell you congratulations. Trust me, the patron does not say that to everybody. I gotta run. I'm sure I'll see you around. Congrats again and good luck in the league. Okay, so am I special or something? Okay, I guess this ended. I want to just check out the shop. Emma Hall. So it will take 2 hours to open this chest. In the next episode, we will open this chest. We got a mail. 24 coins in that mail. 1 gem in that mail. 2 fireworks in that mail. And 1 boost juice. Okay. So let's see what we can get in the shop. I can buy custom D. Also, I think this is the, so I can color. Okay. Let's see. 0 owned custom DSO, made paint and chameleon paint. So these are paints I can buy, and I can buy some power ups too. Plus 5 cards, plus 25 cards. Okay. So yeah, I guess. And if there's like, I can change the color. Welcome to the pencil. Blah 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 blah. Okay, shut up. Ooh, black looks cool. Dark blue. Okay. Let's see. Purple looks okay. I want to get these. Oh my god, look at this one. Look at this one. Look at this one too. These looks good. For now, we'll be just applying black to it. Apply. And so if there's like a team up, and you guys want to team up with me, this is my account. Rez. My driver is Rez. My name is Wolverine99. Okay guys, so let me just secure my account by just connecting it to Google Play. So I forgot to cut when I was securing my account. Okay, so that will be it for this video guys. So I will have to cut it out in the editing. So I don't know if my intro will be cut. So we will just wait a second, I guess, because that will make my work a whole lot easier. So I guess now I should say, I think it will be edited for for you guys. So okay guys. Okay guys, my email, my password just got leaked, but it's okay, I will cut it out. Okay guys, that's it for this video. This video is almost 20 minutes long. So and bye. Wind out.